you again. It's Tuesday again. Time for another tech tip. Today we're going to be talking about stroker LS's and pan and windage tray clearance. Just because I have this here for a good example. But so some of the popular things to do with LS is do a stroker kit, like a 6 liter, do a 408 stroker, or an LS3 you can do a 416 stroker, but there's a bunch of different ones. But once you put a 4-inch crank in an LS block, the problem becomes the counterweights hit the windage tray, you see. So typically what you gotta do is either use washers or some kind of spacer like this to space the windage tray up. Like so. And now we don't got no more. We got plenty of clearance on the rod bolts and the crank throws. And basically you just can stack up washers or whatever, just enough to make sure you got clearance. You can look in there and you should have quite a bit of clearance, whereas if the parts expand, it's not gonna hit. But then the next problem becomes your pan. Now you space your windage tray up, your pan might not fit. This one here I had to actually add some weld here and grind it out here to clear this counterweight. But application, it depends on the application. Sometimes you're gonna have to cut a piece out and weld a piece in, or maybe just do a little grinding or something to fit it. But another tip is, if you mock it up without the gasket on there, put straight there. But the gasket will add another, I don't know, an eighth of an inch or so. Let's see. About 100 thousandths is the thickness of the gasket. So if you get clearance with no gasket, then you're definitely gonna have plenty of clearance with the gasket. So it's nice to check without and make sure that you got plenty of clearance. Because when them things are spinning 7,000 RPMs, you don't want it touching nothing. But, so that's today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Hopefully that helps some of you stroker guys. And we'll see you soon.
Trainer Mark here. If you like what you saw here, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Got it?